Welcome to this session on slowly changing dimension or SCDs, an essential concept in data warehousing. In this lecture, we exposed how to handle SCDs using Hive, forecasting focusing on type 1 and type 2 changes with hands-on example. What is a slow changing dimension? SCD refers to dimensional data that evolves over time. For instance, a customer address may change and you may or may not want to keep historical records. The most common types are type 1 and type 2, which we will focus on today. SCD type 1 is straightforward. You can update the dimension table with the new rule. There's no historical tracking. This works well for non essential changes like email updates or minor spelling corrections. In Hive, if your table is a transactional and stored as ORC, we can use update statement to override all data. Here we are updating the address of customer 101. In SCD type 2, instead of updating the record, we insert a new row to track the changes. You typically use the column names like start date, end date, or n is current flag to manage version. Here's how SCD type 2 dimensional table might look in Hive. It includes date field and is current flag to indicate which record is active. So we have written create table, customer dimension, customer ID int, name string, address string, start date as date, end date as date, is current string, stored as ORC, table properties, transactional equal to true. If transactional equal to true is not there, we won't be able to update the record. When a change is detected, we first update the existing record by setting is current to n, that is no. Then we will insert a new version with the updated address is current is also set to y, that is yes. This allows us to track the full historical history of changes. So first we will update customer dim, set end date equal to current date, is current equal to no, where customer id equal to 101, and is current equal to yes or y. Then we will insert a new version of this record where we will insert into customer dimension values 101, John, New York, current date, null, and y for is current. This is how we use slow changing dimension in Apache Hive. In a real ETL pipeline, you will compress the incoming record from your staging table with the dimension table using the left join. Based on difference, you either update old rows or insert new version. This query identifies which customer have a change addressed. You can use this result to generate SCD type 2 insert and update. So the query is select S star from staging customer S, left outer join customer dimension D on S dot customer ID equal to D dot customer ID, and D is current equal to yes, where S address is not equal to D address. For best performance, use ORC tables with transactional support. Partitioning by start date can speed up your queries. You can use merge statement in newer high version to streamline the process. If this comes in an interview, start with the concept of preserving history using new rows. Walk through the schema and show the Hive command for handling updates and insert. To wrap up, Hive can handle both SCD type 1 and type 2, especially when using ORC and transactional table. The choice depends on whether you need to retain history or simply keep the latest values.